So I figured since I have the tires off these work wheels, why not weigh them? Figure out what they weigh. On my way to go get new tires put on them. All right, well, let's weigh this. I was just curious because this is a 20-inch rim that's 10.5 inches wide, what it weighs. So let's do a little sample here. I've got my McGregor weighing ass. McGregor weighing in at 156.6 at 5'9". That's about right. And let's go ahead and weigh this wheel and see what that difference is. So we're coming in, it looks like at a mean 187. So, what is that, 31 pounds? Well, I mean, this is a fat wheel. So, there you have it. A work Durandal, 20-inch by 10.5-inch wide. I believe a plus 25 offset. This is what it would weigh. Whoa, look at this little creature. All right, so let's see what these Michelin's tires weigh on top of the rim. I go Meat City, so I went 285, 30, 20 on the 10.5-inch work wheel. So let's put it on the scale and let's see what it weighs, including the tire. So it's like basically 72 pounds, 71.9. So there you have it. Look at that meat. That's how it should look. You don't see the dish sticking out the side.